widely popular rum-based cocktail that originated in Havana, Cuba. The cocktail combines herbaceous mint with citrusy lime to provide the perfect balance of sweet and bitterness to complement a quality rum. The result is a crisp and refreshing beverage perfect for any occasion. The mojito is the closest thing to freedom Cubans have tasted since Castro took over. Today, we're going to honor Cuba's fight for liberty with one incredible mojito of our own. Now that you know the history, hopefully the fedora and the shirt make sense now. We're trying to create the full mojito experience here. Wait, what's that? What do I know about making mojitos? I've been making mojitos for over 12 years. I made 4 mojitos a day for an entire summer. That's 500 mojitos of summer. I was making virgin mojitos when I was a virgin. My mint is so muddled, you'd think it's part of the glass's design. Still not convinced?
Even though I'm recovering from coronavirus, I wanted to give my endorsement of Nate's high-quality mojitos.
Let's get this party started. Here's what you'll need. 1 lime per mojito. Don't do lime juice from a bottle, you're only punishing yourself. Mint, naturally. Rum. I prefer dark rum, it just has more character, and you don't want your mojito to be confused for a Sprite. Simple syrup, don't do sugar. Simple syrup's easy enough to make. And lastly, club soda. That's all you really need. Alright, step 1, let's muddle the mint. Make sure to wash it before you put in your drink, of course. Step 2, insert the lime. Now remember, you're going to want to use a full lime per drink. Don't cut any corners here. Alright, now let's pour in the lime juice for good measure. And while you're at it, why don't you cut off a little piece of that lime and drop it in your drink there. You'll enjoy that later. Alright, step 3. Let's pour in the rum here. Add a full shot. Maybe more if you're feeling lucky. Step 4. Add in the simple syrup. More for sweeter, less for bitter. I usually go with less to match my personality. Step 5. Add the club soda. And while you're at it, why don't you add a little bit of the mint, rub it along the rim of the glass here. Because the first thing you want to taste when you taste one of my mojitos is fresh. And then after you have a sip, immediately refreshed. And for the last step, why don't you sit back, relax, just enjoy this delicious beverage you just made. Oh, that's good.